We as developers know the struggle of technical debt piling up, documentation getting outdated, and to-dos which never get addressed. We spend 40% of our time on maintenance rather than in building the new stuff features. And we know code doesn't improve itself. Every improvement requires human to notice, prioritize, implement, and review. What if we could automate this entire loop? Presenting you AutoMaintainer AI. It's an autonomous agent that analyzes, improves, and maintains your code without human intervention. I'll walk you through the architecture of my application. Host 8080. What it basically does is it clones the repo, it scans it, it selects a task, code generation, PR create, wait review, and it generates the total evaluation score. We have an agent layer for which I have used Cline, and then we have an evaluation layer for which I've used CodeRabbit, and a memory layer, a basic database, PostgreSQL, and a front-end layer with Next.js. So this is the main part. Sorry, okay, this is the workflow, how we decide the workflow which is given to the Kestra. I'll run it and show you. So going through the flow, we have an agent layer, which is the Cline. We have an evaluation layer and memory layer and a front-end layer. So Cline we basically use as an AI agent. This is where Cline resides in this folder. We have number of prompts, and then we have all the tasks which is assigned to it, like fetching issues, selecting tasks, creating PR, and all that stuff. Then we have evaluation layer, and evaluation layer is basically done by CodeRabbit and a memory layer. I'll walk you through. First, I'll show you how Kestra works. Okay, so I already have a flow which I just ran few minutes ago, and it was successful. This demo ran. Then what it basically does is, like, let's say we run a Python command. Okay, so we run this, and I'll also show you. This is our repository where I'll show you, okay, like how PRs are being created. Okay, on using key, we have to provide. Okay, it created a branch, it updated the README file. As we can see, it must let me refresh the page. Oh, okay, see, it just created a pull request. Okay, but now, just created a pull request, and I'll just close this pull request, I'll merge the pull request.
We created a pull request, like our app created a pull request. We have CodeRabbit going through all the changes and creating a report.
I also built a front end where we can see all our logs. Okay, this is localhost. This is running. We just updated. Okay, you can go and see the pull request here. It also gives an average score using Oumi because we always do an evaluation score, how well an AI is performing. We can keep switching models according to our needs. We can see PR created. We can see secret universal. You can just see here. It has a link.